Introduction. Sanju's family is from Punjab. Today, they are celebrating Lohri. The family members and relatives are gathered around a bonfire. They are praying and offering freshly harvested crops to the fire god. In this lesson, you will learn about festivals of India. Objectives. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to explain the meaning of celebrations, differentiate among national, religious, and harvest festivals. Celebrations. Celebrations are joyous occasions that we spend with our friends and family. We celebrate by dancing, singing, eating, and laughing. We celebrate birthdays, weddings, festivals, and many more. Festivals. Festivals bring to our minds good food, new clothes, friends, family, and enjoyment. Festivals spread happiness. We celebrate many festivals. They may be divided into 3 categories. They are national festivals, religious festivals, harvest festivals. National festivals. India celebrates 4 national festivals. They are Republic Day, Independence Day, Gandhi Jayanti, Children's Day. Religious festivals. India is a land of religious diversity. It has many religious groups: Hindus, Muslims, Christians, Sikhs, Buddhists, etc. Therefore, we celebrate a number of religious festivals. Some important religious festivals are Raksha, Bandhan, Eid, Dussehra, Diwali, Gurpurab, Christmas. Harvest festivals. Harvest festivals are celebrated all over India. They are known by different names. Holi is a harvest festival of North India. Lohri is a harvest festival of Punjab. Onam and Pongal are the harvest festivals of Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learned. Celebrations are joyous occasions that we spend with our friends and family. Festivals spread happiness. Festivals can be classified as national, religious, and harvest festivals.